Hey guys, hope you all have been well. I apologize for not having a video up last week, but the typhoon had passed through and I just wasn't able to film by the end of the week. And so I'm going to be bringing you this video today, and it's going to be a pretty quick tutorial. I will list all the products down below, as well as putting it up on my Instagram if you're interested in just seeing a picture of this makeup look. The look for today is a smoky, sort of antiqued, fall-inspired look. It's a lot of dark colors, it's a smoky eye. Not my traditional makeup looks, but I figured in light of the upcoming fall season, which I don't get to experience, I figured I'd get started with the fall makeup tutorials. I hope you all enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. Alright guys, that is the makeup tutorial on this look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, as well as following me on Instagram for all my makeup looks, regardless of the type of video it is. I will always list all the products that I use to put whatever makeup look I have on together. Alright guys, till the next video, I hope you guys are all doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye!